Come on, Rico.
Pull that.
Gotta have fun with life. This is a short ride we get. Smile a lot. Good. All right. The name of the first song that we're going to do today was written a little ways back. The name of it is Hold Me. It's pretty cool, so hopefully you'll like it. It's dark as night, and if you're holding on, I messed it up. Do it again. It's dark as night, and if you're holding on to something, baby, know that I'll always be here. We know each other closer, counting time like roller coasters falling. I'm breathing you in. Talking leads to nothing. Something's beaten, it gets broken down. If you love me, then you hold me. If you need me, then you show me. Show me, you make it easy. In loving you, you make it easy to trust. I'm holding on to us. We're only here a second, gone the next. It's kinda crazy, feeling nothing matters, it does. Our conversations outline future part, and patience seems like everybody's waiting for us. When talking leads to nothing, and something's beaten, it gets broken down. If you love me, then you hold me. If you need me, then you show me. Show me, you make it easy. Loving you, you make it easy to trust. I'm holding on to us. I love you, I need you, I see you, I taste you. On my lips as you fall away slowly. I love you, I need you, I see you, I feel you on the tips of my fingers, like take me. If you
This is my first time doing this, so be nice to me. And it's also just like scribbled out in my journal, so just beware. So the first one that I'm gonna read is just very lighthearted and nice. It is to my boyfriend, Theo. Flowers bloom, oh boy. Flowers bloom every spring, still out of my way I go, just to smell your sweetness. Rays of warmth bounding inside like baby deer after their mother. Comparison seems only to come through as nature when thinking of those in my soul. My forever comfort, I suppose, that's how you feel to me. You're the tree I sit under to shade me from the rain and the smell of walking endlessly through a forest of pine. You're the beauty of silence, where in between no words need be uttered to hold connection. Strength in numbers is not where we reside, for thine heart of mine sees past the other's lies. Your eyes gentle still pierce through mine, so I know you see the wonder inside. Blessings are the soft touches you place onto me, and the grin you hate to show, but gleams so brightly in my life. What I did for this gift I can never know, but aren't you my sweetest flower? Sorry, the poem was called My Sweetest Flower. I didn't say that. My next poem and my last poem is called Time by Pink Floyd. I wonder if anyone else feels time the way I do. My head is so mashed up, I can't think of it the way I used to. It was never so black and white, but now it's a black hole, an immersion I can't escape from. Feeling time is all I can do, but it's not linear like you think. It's all around, it's everywhere, everything. It lives and breathes with me, I can feel it inside. To me, it's always felt like film, something you can rewind and relive. What's that movie about World War II where the woman lights up a bunch of film on fire in the big theater and kills a bunch of Nazis? I can't remember the name. Yes. That's the one. Thank you, Robin. Well, now I know, but that's how my brain feels sometimes, and that's how time feels to me. Tangled in flames, so haunting, you can almost feel it. Thank you.